Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you have already guessed from the title of this video, this time we will learn how to add multiple DNS IP in Windows 11. Whether you're using a laptop or desktop, configuring the setting will not be any different for you guys. All you need to do is follow and apply this process of mine step by step and you're good to go. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is click the search bar on your window and search network connections. When it shows here, open it up and look for your Wi-Fi adapter or Ethernet. The settings will be the same for both, so just select the one you're using. I can see my Wi-Fi adapter here, so I'll just right click on it. Here I will select properties. Now we need to select Internet Protocol version 4 here and then go to properties. In here, check on the option use the following DNS server addresses. Now we have to enter the preferred DNS server, which is 1.1.1.1. And for the alternative DNS server, select 1.0.0.1. So this is the cloud DNS, and a very great one at that. So it'll make your internet process faster. But since you're planning on using multiple DNS, click on the advanced option here. Now go to the DNS option and click on add. In here, write down the extra DNS you want to use. I will be writing down the Google DNS here, which is 8.8.8.8. And now we will click on the add button to add the new DNS. Now if you want to prioritize any of these DNS, just click on these arrows to move them up and down in priority. After this, click on the OK button to apply the changes. Press OK here as well and close here. And that's it. You have set your computer network with multiple DNS. Now all that's left is to reap the benefits. So guys, if this video helps you out, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, so please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.